When were the first modern Olympic Games held? Answer is option A 1896. Friends, if you understand in detail, the first modern Olympics was held in Athens, Greece in the 1896 Summer Olympics. Baron Pierre de Coubertin started the modern Olympics. He is known as the father of the modern Olympics. Who has the record of winning the highest number of medals in Olympics till now? Answer is option C, Michael Phelps. Friends, Michael Phelps is a former competitive swimmer from America. He has the highest number of medals in the Olympics till now. He won 28 Olympics medals including 23 golds. He also holds the record of most number of Olympic gold medals in individual events and Olympic medals in individual events. First Commonwealth Games were held in the year. Answer is option D 1930. Friends, the first Commonwealth Games were held in 1930 at Hamilton, Canada. Commonwealth Games is the second largest sports event after the Olympics. India for the first time participated in the second Commonwealth Games held in 1934 in London. 21st Commonwealth Games were held in 2018 at Gold Coast City, Australia. Where did the first Asian Games begin? Answer is option B, India. Friends, the first ever Asian Games were held in New Delhi in 1951. India hosted Asian Games in 1982 again. So far, 17 Asian Games have been organized. The Asian Games are also known as Asiad. This is the biggest sporting event in Asia. It symbolizes the mutual equality and unity of Asian countries. Which two teams played the first official international cricket match? Answer is option C, USA and Canada. Friends, if you understand in detail, the first official international cricket match was played between the USA and Canada in 1844. The match was played on the grounds of the St. George Cricket Club, Bloomingdale Park in New York. When did India last win Hockey World Cup? Answer is option B, 1975. Friends, India last won the Men's Hockey World Cup in 1975. The match was played in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. India defeated Pakistan by 2-1 in this match. Where were the Asian Games held in 1954? Answer is option A, Manila. The first recipient of Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award is. Answer is option A, Viswanathan Anand. Friends, if you understand in detail, the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award is India's highest honor given for achievement in sports. The award was instituted in the year 1991-92 and was awarded by the Government of India. Viswanathan Anand was the first person to win the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award has been renamed as Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award. Which sports is played on a diamond? Answer is option C, baseball. Who was the first recipient of Dronacharya Award in 1985? Answer is option D, all of them, means B.B. Bhagwat, Om Prakash Bhardwaj and O.M. Nambiar. Friends, Dronacharya Award was established in 1985. The Dronacharya Award, introduced in the year 1985, is conferred to outstanding coaches in sports and games. The award is named after Dronacharya or Guru Drona from the Hindu epic of Mahabharata. It is the highest sporting honor given to coaches in India. Which was the first city in the world to have hosted both the summer and winter editions of the Olympic Games? Answer is option D, Beijing. Where were the 32nd Summer Olympic Games held? Answer is option B, Tokyo. Friends, the Summer Olympics were originally intended to be held from 24 July to 9 August 2020. But due to the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, the Tokyo 2020 Olympics were postponed and subsequently held from 23 July to 8 August 2021 in the city of Tokyo, Japan. The 5 interlinked rings of 5 different colors of the Olympic flag reflect. Answer is option A, unity of the world. The Olympic symbol consists of 5 interlaced rings of equal dimensions. The Olympic rings in 5 different colors. These colors shall be from left to right: blue, yellow, black, green, and red. The 5 Olympic rings represent the 5 continents of Africa, America, Asia, Australia, and Europe. Who was the flag bearer at Rio Olympics 2016 opening ceremony for Indian contingent? Answer is option B, Abhinav Bindra. Friends, if you understand in detail, the 2016 Summer Olympics was held in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. At the 2016 Summer Olympics, India finished 67th in the medal tally. Who is the first Indian woman to win an Olympic medal? Answer is option C, Karnam Malleswari. Friends, let's know about Karnam Malleswari. Karnam Malleswari is a retired Indian weightlifter. She became the first Indian woman to win a medal at the Olympics in Sydney in 2000. She also became the first Indian woman to become a weightlifting world champion in 1994 in Istanbul. Which among the following is the motto of the Asian Games? Answer is option A, ever onward. The first Commonwealth Games were held in blank. Answer is option D, 1930. Friends, the first Commonwealth Games were held in 1930 at Hamilton, Canada. After Olympics, Commonwealth Games is the second largest sports festival in the world. The games are held once in 4 years, but only in between the Olympic years. India participated for the first time in the second Commonwealth Games held in London in 1934. Who won the first Cricket World Cup held in England in 1975? Answer is option C, West Indies. Friends, the first Cricket World Cup held in England in 1975 was won by West Indies. The final match was played in Lords between Australia and West Indies. India won the Hockey World Cup in the year. Answer is option B, 1975. Friends, if you understand in detail, the India men's national field hockey team has only won the Hockey World Cup once, which was in the year 1975. On 15th of March 1975, India defeated Pakistan by a goal difference of 2-1 to win the third edition of the Hockey World Cup. The World Cup was held at Kuala Lumpur in Malaysia. After whom is the Salt Lake Stadium in Kolkata named? Answer is option A, Swami Vivekanand. Friends, Salt Lake Stadium, officially known as Vivekanand Yuva Bharati Krirangan in Kolkata, is India's second largest stadium. Salt Lake is a football stadium with a current capacity of 85,000.